Hi, I'm Katie Johnson, an independent Stampin'Up demonstrator in Stoughton, Wisconsin. And guess what? Stampin'Up has just announced a 24-hour sale. That sale is going to be on Wednesday, September 23rd. One day only, 24 hours. The sale is 15% off of a select list of stamp sets. I will have a link in the description above if you're watching on Facebook, down below if you're watching on YouTube. So there will be a link where you can download a PDF file of all the stamp sets that are on sale. Are you excited? 15% off? So you can download that list yourself. It's 15% off of any stamp set that's on that list. Perfect opportunity to check your wish list, flip through the catalog, because that list is going to be in page order number. Flip through the catalog and see what's on there that you've been thinking, oh gosh, I would love to have that one. There will also, of course, be a purchasing link in the description. And anybody who uses my host code of the month, which I will put in this video at the end of the video, anyone who uses the host code, you're going to get a little something special from me in your order, in your thank you note. So I'm assuming the reason you've tuned in is because you want to see the stack of samples that I have to show. These are just random samples that either I've made or I've gotten as trade cards. So are you ready? Let's turn the camera down. All right, I've got my huge stack of samples over here. They started out in page number order, but they are not at the moment. So I just have a few to show you of each one. This is that Whiskey Business set on sale. How fun. And here it's stamped on acetate, and then layer and then colored from the back. Couple made with the High Tide stamp set. So this one uses almost all the stamps that are in the set. This one highlights just part of it. It's all stamped on the front, and then it's die cut, and that die cut just layered inside again. There. That's a nice way to highlight part of your stamping. This one, I used the birch bark stamp set to make water waves, the illusion of water waves, and then I just used the sentiment and the birds from that one. The snowman season. How cute is he to color? And just put a little banner, a DSP banner behind him. Here he is again, set on a embossed background. And here he is one more time on a strip of designer, actually that's not designer paper, that's stamped on the blue paper. All right, so Snowman Season is on sale. Nature's Beauty is on sale. This one is the deer from Nature's Beauty, and then the rest of this is the Snowfront stamp set, which is also part of the sale. Here's a couple of others with that Nature's Beauty stamp set. This one features the fox. This one is another one with the deer and a little bit of embossing on the bottom. This one is with the bunny from the Nature's Beauty stamp set, and he's been fussy cut and layered up there. This one is with the fox set on that birch bark background. And there's another one with the deer. And this one features an embossed background, and one more, apparently this was a favorite stamp set. One more, this is a shaker card made with the shakers from the snow globe, and the little bunny is fussy cut and layered inside there. All right, next stamp set that I have some samples of. These are from the Dandelion Wishes stamp set. How pretty is that? You can see a little bit of glitter on here. And then what I did was I just sponged the center of these to highlight the big dandelion. A couple of others. Here's another way to highlight the dandelion. Heat embossed in white and then sponged over it. Another way to highlight that stamp set is to use just a block stamp behind it. There's another one with just the stamp set up here and a little bit more down there. Kind of gives the illusion of wind. I have lots to show with this one because this was a favorite stamp set. Again, sponging in the middle and a little bit of glitter, glimmer for the centers of the flowers. And then here's one more way to highlight the dandelion, is to stamp it 4 different times in 4 different colors. That's a nice card design. And the last one, stamp it on one big sheet and then slice it and kind of spread them apart for a panel look. My stack is going to topple over here. I'm going to move these out and go to another set of cards. So these are with another set that's on sale. This one is Butterfly Wishes. So it actually goes along with the butterfly punch. You can punch the large and the small butterflies from it. These were just stamped on colored paper. This was stamped on white paper and then colored with a marker and a little bit of Wink of Stella, which might not show through on the camera here. These were stamped on white paper in blue ink and then a little bit of sponging to give some color to it. Here's another one that was just stamped on white paper. And then this one, because of that punch, was not only stamped with the big butterfly, but also stamped with a little butterfly. And the little butterfly is layered on top of the big one to give a little bit of extra dimension to the wings there. Fun feature. Another stamp set that's on sale is the Country Home Stamp Set. And let's see, for this one, I stamped just the jug and then fussy cut it out. I also stamped the jug on the main card base so you can see the handle showing through, but this part was fussy cut, and then I punched some of these with the sprig punch and stuck them in underneath. That stamp set has a jug. It also has a pitcher. I guess that's a pitcher. And then it also has this milk jug over here. And so this is a few of the images from that milk jug colored with a marker, and then you don't have to show the whole jug, you can just show part of it. And of course this one down here, I don't know if you can tell, but this was also stamped on paper and then cut out and layered on top. I have one to show you with a stamp set called Bloom and Grow. I just got this stamp set, so I've only made one card with it. Actually, this was kind of a fancy fold here because it's got an inside and then it's got a little flap that you can see. And then I stamped on the designer paper because you can do that too. You can stamp on designer paper. This one is called Beautiful Friendship, and it's got actually quite a variety of flower shapes in it. So both of these cards are made with Beautiful Friendship stamp set. And I like this one. This one has a different look to it because some stamp sets will come back and give you an outline that you can color. And this one just gives you the splotchy image without an outline. So it's a different look to the stamp set. You'll need to go through that list. Again, the link will be in Facebook, the description above, YouTube, the description below. But you'll need to go through that list page by page in your catalog and figure out what you don't have yet that you want. This is Floral Essence. And again, it's been fussy cut and layered up on top of some leaves. But here it's just been stamped as the background for the stamp. And again, with a little butterfly from that Butterfly Gala stamp set. I hope I said that right with the butterfly one. It's the Butterfly Gala stamp set. This one makes a real pretty focal point. That could simply be a vertically opening card, but you know, you can do lots of special things when you've got a circle for your main feature. These next few are from a stamp set that's called Inspiring Iris. And once again, this is a stamp set. This is actually a two-step stamp set. So it has an outline image, and then it has another image that you can stamp for color. So here the yellow was stamped, or the pink was stamped, and the green was stamped. This was just stamped without putting the outline around it. So a couple of different options. I like the versatility of a set like that. Here's another sample where it was stamped on black paper in white and heat embossed, and then come back with a blender pen and white ink, color it in, and then go over the white ink with alcohol markers because that colors real nicely on top of the white ink. And then I've got a few more down here. These are made with the Waterfront Stamp Set, which is similar to the Snowfront stamp set. There's three or four different stamp sets in the catalog that all will do this similar effect where you can get the effect of watercolor. Remember that one from Nature's Beauty? This was from the Snowfront. These are from Waterfront, and you just get some splotchy shapes that you can go in and use to create scenes. Snowfront includes the little deer. Waterfront includes the trees. So these were all some samples made with the Waterfront stamp set. And you can see, you just put those splotches together in different ways and you can really get some creative effects for scenery. Look at that one. Isn't that one pretty? So I hope those cards gave you some ideas. Definitely check the link, download the list of the stamps that are on sale, get out your catalogs. It's one day only. It's a 24-hour sale, September 23rd, one day only. So right now, close up, stop watching things on the internet, download that list, go through your catalogs, and make sure you don't miss out on an opportunity for 15% off of your favorite stamp sets that you've been waiting to buy. Thanks for watching. I'm Katie Johnson, independent demonstrator in Stoughton, Wisconsin.